Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my robotic arm with pneumatic hand, and in particular the topics are isolating electronics, checking pneumatics once again, and going back to two motors that I haven't used in a while or haven't checked in a while, being the roll motor and the yaw motor. What do I start with? Pneumatics test. And that's very important because there are still things not going quite well. Having changed to screencast, I will now start the algorithm for the arm. And that reveals that the compressor is not functioning. Now it is. So that's one more thing. And yes, the objective is obviously to press one of these switches to get the pneumatics running. However, the compressor first needs to compress air and then I can do it. So let's check if it is already done. And it is very unfortunate that I don't have a pressure meter for the air. It would make things simpler. And last time things didn't go very nice as well. So although the LEDs are burning, so I now can see that the switch is burning and the finger should have acted. Next one. Fingers detected and the valve should have acted, which is not the case. So I'll let this be and I will focus on the motors. And to that end, I will stop the algorithm and I will have to go to the diagnostic interface to check for the motors. And first I will take the roll motor. Does it function nicely? And how to do that, how to figure out which is which, that's up to the schematics and obviously the diagnostics. And now I have also done all the LEDs for the signals. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one. And I hope on screen you will see every single one. This one has a slight problem, but it is functional, so everything is now isolated. Problems with the motors not yet solved, but that is future. And pneumatics also not yet solved. And I do have to get a pressure meter because that makes diagnostics so much easier wherever the leak may be. And maybe there's another problem I'm not even aware of. That's it for now. As you can see, some things have been solved, primarily the LEDs. Motors checked, not solved, and pneumatics checked and not quite solved. But for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.